They make up to $50,000 a year and enjoy a near legendary status with the community. With their huge upright cabs decorated with lavish chrome, these vehicles are not just functional, they're automotive works of sculpture. Their status with the trucking community comes not just from the fact that they're well built, but that amazingly, the design of every single one can be customized to the driver's exact specifications. Here on the outskirts of town is the Peterbilt factory. Driver Greg Wilmoth has come in search of his ultimate truck. Despite each vehicle being unique, they're all produced on exactly the same production line and can be manufactured in less than 24 hours. Greg's vehicle will be a customized Model 389. This classic, traditionally styled truck can be adapted with a variety of transmission systems, axles, suspensions, and strength-to-weight requirements, while the cab itself can be fitted with living quarters and a sleeper section. The construction of a Peterbilt truck begins with the chassis. Not only does it need to handle the 8 tons of truck, but also the truck's load, so it's precision manufactured from steel and uses a 3-piece 20-bolt crossmember for extra durability. Like a spine, it also carries the nerves of the vehicle, in this case 300 feet of air pipes and over 2,000 feet of cable. As each chassis is constructed, the workstation it's mounted on constantly crawls forward. The guys on the line need to work quickly and methodically to ensure each one is completed before it moves on to the next stage. While the chassis is being worked on, the cabs are simultaneously assembled on another line. They're constructed from lightweight aluminum. Back on the chassis assembly line, they've been working on the main frame for 6 hours. Now they're faced with a weighty problem. In order to fit the engine, the heavy steel frame needs to be turned over. Like a monstrous pancake, it's flipped over by this huge pneumatic machine and carefully repositioned onto the production line. Traditionally, the heart of every Peterbilt truck is its diesel engine, but more recently, the company has been developing hybrid electric vehicles for long-haul applications. When the engine is bolted into place, the cab and other metalwork are ready for paint. To ensure it's completely flawless, the factory employs a team of robotic Picassos. With a dexterity to be envied by even the finest artisan, the robots evenly coat every surface with precisely 0.08 of a millimeter of paint. Not a drop more, not a drop less. With the cab and chassis complete, it's time for the truck to be assembled. To keep the client's new trucks rolling off the line, it's crucial that all the sections are ready to be installed exactly when needed. The factory floor only has room for the components needed for 1 day's production, so forklift drivers like Tracy Sherman make sure everything is delivered on time to prevent the entire production line from grinding to a halt.
There's a lot of material that moves in and out of here. Every day it's fast-paced, basically. So timing is of the essence. We have to make sure they're at the proper place to be installed at the proper time with each particular unit.
After just 16 hours, Greg's maroon masterpiece is nearly complete. Providing everything has gone according to plan, this customized vehicle will soon become Greg's fantasy truck.
That's exactly what I ordered.